What's up, my real estate family? If you want to know what's happening in the mortgage rate market or what's going on with the mortgage bond market and why, well, you're watching the right video. So let's jump right into it. Week ending May 30th, the conforming 30-year fixed rate mortgage was sitting at 6.95%, according to Mortgage News Daily's rate survey. You can see in this rate chart that ever since April the 4th, interest rates have been on the rise, but thankfully, this week, we dipped back below 7%. As you can imagine, these higher rates have impacted mortgage applications. There's a correlation. Higher rates equal lower mortgage applications. Check out this chart from the Mortgage Bankers Association. You can see how high mortgage applications were the week of April the 4th, and then a dramatic decline. According to the MBA's weekly application survey, mortgage applications finally increased week ending May 23rd after 3 consecutive weeks of being in declining mode. So, what was it that helped mortgage rates improve this week? Well, on Thursday, we got the second reading on Q1 GDP. It reported a negative 0.2%, but the part that the mortgage market really liked was the personal spending component part, which showed a rise of only 1.2% in spending versus the estimates of 1.8%. Less spending equals lower prices, so this slowdown signals lower inflation in the future. On Friday, we also got the Fed's favorite gauge of consumer inflation by way of the Personal Consumption Expenditure Report. The May report showed that the year-over-year core inflation number was at 2.5%. This was down from the previous month's report, and mortgage rates improved as a result of it. Remember, lower inflation is awesome news for mortgage rates. So what's on the agenda for next week? Next week, we get the Bureau of Labor Statistics jobs report, which measures unemployment, and it also tells us how many jobs were created for the month of May. This will for sure have an impact on mortgage rates. So make sure you follow along and watch my next video to find out what happened. And as always, thank you for watching. Let's get better, let's close more deals, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.